businesses just by those strategies. They have a person I know is employed somewhere, but is having a business somewhere. What made that is the way she was handling the client. She's a good marketeer. Then you have businesses where that person goes away, that business can fall, but it's just a work. See, there are so many businesses I know. Because of the marketing strategy that person is using, a boss, all the years is increasing size, so that that person can stay there. You get it? Meaning that person is adding a value to the business. In whatever you do, you add a value, or the customer look for you. If the customer look for you, that means you don't add value. If you put a strategy for customers to look for you, then you had a value. I told someone, she was there where you were. That person told me, if I go away, I'm assuring you won't get a person that will do it better than I do. You know what I told her? That what you do, any person can come and then do it better than you do. Okay, so, you know how much I make? I can make even a day, 30K, 40K. I said people can make 7K. 70, not 30, 70K. You get it? Because for me, I can determine. Because I follow you, I know what you do. When I look into your status, you put your dresses you buy, meaning you are marketing someone's business. Not you, because the one who see that dress, he will tell you, where did you buy that dress? You get the point. You put it on a status. Person will ask you, where did you buy that clothes? Meaning now you are marketing the other one where you bought it. You get my point? Someone told me one time back, in the movies, library, there is no money. Mine is set there. In Nyendo Chitaka is my colleague, is my friend. In his status, Osama take a movie. You know how many clients he's having. Even the big years started looking for him. Okay. But that's the business saying that business and is little. Where is he using now the blood is his. You get it? He used the you to see us. Okay, might be encouraging. But most of the people comes here because of social media. Those cars we are having. You get it? Because of social? You get my point? How many time do you market what you need? Or you don't want what you do? No, you don't market what you don't want. Someone told me, there is no way you can market what you don't want. Is there any way you can market that? Do you love what you do? You do. How many times do you put on your status? We have these guards. We have these beats. How many times? Or you put on Kavili you have made. So that you can make it the salon lady who has made it for you. Because someone look for you saying, who made that? Can you give me her contact? So you are. But yours, you have pressed it yourself. Marketing app. So that is social media. On your social media platform, use it for business. Because Uganda is terrible in terms of finance. If you don't suffer by, and then you look for all strategies of making money, not in a bad way, don't go into streets selling your boy just because you want to make money. No? What you do, that's your office. You get? You know, one Katikiro of Uganda said, when I bring you on board to work together, I completely trust you. That was his words. So it's upon you to prove that we can move together or we can't move. So how can you prove? The way you market the business. I'm not saying that you don't do well in what you do, but yes, I'm trying to open your eyes. You get it? So you have smartphones. How do you use your smartphones? You know that most of you under smartphones, you use 10%. You know that you can use smartphones for learning. Most of you only use TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. That's the end. Some of you have even never reached 30% of the functions of your smartphones. You get it? You have never reached 30%. That smartphone can be used for online learning. It can be used for selling, for e-commerce. It can be used for travel. That smartphone can be your business. You get it? I told someone that my office is this computer. These are just places, buildings. Even if you don't come here, I can teach you. You come for me for exams and you pass well. Mind saving. I just get you a smartphone. If you don't have internet, go to the office, it's there. It doesn't need me to come here. Does it require me to come here and I teach you physical? What I'm teaching you here, I can teach you when I'm in Kampala. Am I deceiving? Am I deceiving? What now tomorrow you are not coming. We have swearing ceremony, but you're going to learn online at night. You get it? You get it? That's why I was telling you in the previous that you have to be with a smartphone. She has never attended any online class. Has she ever attended? Among the classes we had, has she ever attended any class? The one you saw is in Kampala, not in here. And he's a man, not a lady. You get it? You get my point?
Yes.
So, smartphone, you can attend a class, a full course, you complete, you go home, you graduate. I have my friend, he's studying in China, but he's in Kampala. You will only go for graduation. He doesn't have a computer, he has a smartphone. A smartphone. That's why I tell people that this computer of mine, this is my office. This one is my office. You get it? Have you ever seen me using this computer? Have you ever seen me using this? I invest in their money for you to study, not me. Mine is this one. Let me see this. There is another computer like this one. I first used another one, not this one. It's there. Then after I bought another one, I took it in Kampala. Then after I bought this one. This is my own. Make your smartphone your office. You get it? I know that there are so many people disturbing the boys. Mine is really. They disturb you. They take your number. When they take your number and they see your status, what do they see? They just see the beauty or they see the business? Let them not just see the beauty. You get it? Like you look good. Let you also see the business using your smartphone. the other phone there, and the computer. I bought 2 devices. You get? And I pressed them there. For you to use your understanding capacity to make that business grow. I'm not saying that we're not making it grow. You get? But if you are not making it and you are seeing change, you get? There is internet for you to make a research and get what is required. So that people come and then they don't say that there is no. Internet is the control of the day. Today I'm here, tomorrow I'm away. Today you are here, tomorrow. But what are Mukwano is still there. The founder is dead. The sons are away. The rally, sons and daughters are rally, but it's there. That's because of the strategy they make. They use their resources positively. You get it? Let's talk about cloud computing. Let's talk about cloud. When you talk about cloud computer, what comes into your mind? Tell me about cloud computing. Yeah? No. Cloud computing is just the on-demand delivery of IT services. How do you deliver just IT services? Web development, cloud storage, software service, that is cloud computing. Instead of buying and maintaining physical data centers, users access technology services as a need of basics for using the internet to access services. That is cloud computing. That's why I told you that standard like cloud computing, Rabbit. Use the internet to deliver service. No need for physical space. People that study IT, unless we are having education as a part of sector. But people that study IT, they don't need physical space. You understand my point? So, I won't go into deep into cloud computing because this one she's going that way. So I want at least to summarize so that she can go because it's going to midday. So we have online learning. We have our portal. Open your PC and put learning. .scs international. .org. Put it there and see what it brings. You first put it was already hibernating. This is our online learning and self-paced lessons. You go there, you sit, you study, you go, you see the certificate. Though you have to pay to access some questions, though it is also free. Our website. .org. Learning.acs.i, it's bad. This one as well. Are you seeing this? can cancel and maximize. Are you seeing this? This is our online learning plan. People come there, they find their suitable course, the courses are there. They find there is classes and courses. Classes, those are like classes. They find their courses they want. They find their courses, they pay what is required. How many dollars you accept? $9, $7, $17, solid. You get it? So these are even there is free courses. Like this one is a free course for students who attend it. So if you have a colleague there, you can tell him, you go there, I study, there is a free course. You give them a site. They start, they go. You get my point? That's online, yeah? We won't go into deep into that. Then let's go into artificial intelligence. Do you have any question about artificial intelligence? Nowadays, AI is everywhere. AI, making computer do things for you. You get? Then the e-commerce. E-commerce is business. I was talking about previously. Use your computer to make a deal. Go to our website. Main website, scesinternational.org. scesinternational.org. This is the academy, not the website. Not Interma, but international.org. Org.com. Are you seeing? Like this one. Someone is able to come, buy a service, pay for a service, and get that service. That's it.